Hi, this is David from Luminous AI, and I'm recording a second video. So I suppose it's a third in the build of my retreat automation thing. But basically, I said in my previous video that you could easily integrate this with a different payment gateway. Stripe is the most common international one. So if you join me here, I'll show you how to integrate your Stripe when a payment is received. Then you can update your Airtable to say payment received, so it'll stop any further automations. So if we just go over to my second screen here, I've created a little payment tracking thing here with very basics. So if we have the customer's name, their address, their email, items, invoice items, so the invoice items are here. Basically invoice item 1, a description, quantity, and these are all linked. So if you're not familiar with this, this is a link record to customer. So we have item 1 and 2, and then this is what they call a roundup. So we're rolling up invoice items and price sum equals values. So yeah, let's go over to our Stripe. Let's imagine that they have, let's go over to our test section. Let's imagine they've been sent an invoice via a payment link. Okay, so copy to clipboard. Customer has this section here. It's the same as my Zendit payment. So they will input their details. Okay. So from here, we're going to go, I'll build out this again. So very, very simple. I'll save this. Let's build this for a second time. So YouTube builds. I'm trying to get a bit more organized. Those of you that are following me will notice that I've started labeling things a bit better. So number 3, Stripe, update Zendit, update Airtable. Okay, click save. So we want a Stripe module. Watch for events. So I'm going to create a new hook, and I'm going to do my test account, and let's call this 3. YouTube build. Okay, and then we need to go to the group, which would be checkout. When a checkout is completed, click save. Okay, I'm going to click OK. Let's now save this, run this. We'll return to here. So if you're not familiar with this, when you're in test, they give you a test card number, so it's 42424242, and then any number, and again any number. We'll do David Smith. Okay, click OK. And there we are, payment received. So we get all the juicy information, object, all of this information here. So let's update my Airtable as payment received. So we need to get a record or search for a record, because there's no Airtable records in the Stripe module. So we will look for Stripe invoicing system, which is the name of my Airtable. I've already granted the permissions. YouTube example. YouTube example. The table is customers, and we will do the same as previously. We'll sort by created. If created is there, the created field's not there. Apologies. Quickly created. created by, but created time. Can quickly go back here. We will refresh. Refresh here. We should have a field for created now. Descending, and we'll restrict this to 1. Okay, now we need to get another Airtable, and we will get a record. Use the YouTube example base. The table will be customers. Record ID will be record ID. And then next one will be update the record. Same base. Same customer. Record ID is record ID. And then the status, we're going to update to payment received. So click save, align, run once. Let's check. So it's ready to bill. I'll just knock this up very quickly. You can change the fields however you like. Let's go back to our payment window. Go again. So email was email address 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 34, literally any number. And we'll go again with David Smith. Pay. Okay, done. And back to Airtable. Payment received. If I click on here, you will see payment received 10 seconds ago. Okay, so yeah, hopefully if you like, this is much nicer because it's more international. Zendit, I was showing you, was a bit, it's very localized, but Stripe is used mostly in the rest of the world. I know about Stripe because I built the system for Jackie and Stripe, but we had to remove because Stripe's no longer supported, and Wise, TransferWise, formerly TransferWise, doesn't work. So we've had to adapt to a nationalized payment system, which is Zendit. It's their alternative, and basically moved over to Shopify. So it's been a big project. So if you found value from that, please consider subscribing. I do builds like this, and I'll be doing them all the time now, as often as possible. And yeah, any feedback would be great. I had a crappy microphone before, but I fixed the system now, so hopefully much better quality. Okay, see you on the next video.